running your end-to-end processes, generating a trend out of it, generating the KPI reports or dashboards out of it. So I want to, on a regular basis, I'm someone who works on the data cleansing processes as a steward. I want to see on weekly basis how much my data is improving, where the data quality is failing, that type of information. But I don't want to query it on everyday basis or a weekly basis. So that's where the insight page comes in. As a user, I can query my data within the system, and I can use Kai just not to query, even to create these query outputs as widgets, as your table outputs, as your graphical outputs, and pin them in my view as a insight to insight dashboard for myself. So there's no um, admin driven or steward driven configuration process which I need to define a dashboard. As a user, what I'm working on daily basis is something what I want to see create on daily basis. And based on the user's requirement, based on the user's queries, they create their own pages, own dashboards, own widgets, and utilize that for running their day-to-day scenarios, for identifying the changes or identifying the trends over a monthly or a yearly basis. And these dashboards is not just for a single user. Yes, you can create your own, and you can share it with the other people as well within your organization, that this is the information I'm using. You are working on the same role and same processes. So the users can exchange with the widgets and utilize the same output. So that's how these all the end-to-end features, these five Kai improvements work together from helping you filling up the information quickly, helping you understand your processes based on your policies or org level documents, helping you enriching the data from your file-based processes or from web-based processes, helping the user to get into the details of each and every data set or each and every processes without jumping into different tables, without different data set views, and getting all of that consolidated information from one place. Basically, Kai becomes your place where you can query your data, you can get the information out and quickly analyze that information and take your next level actions. The final thing, it gives you the ability to define your own output views, own dashboards, which helps you in quickly analyzing that information. End-to-end journey, one place for the user to from your one place for the user where you can create your rules, get your information, take quick actions, and get the explanation from the system as well, that why this is happening, how this happens, and what's the implication of this. End-to-end process done through Kai, from starting the rules to the creation of your dashboard. That's the five feature and one direction vision or the process which we are working on from Kai improvements perspective.